Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't change that. I don't want to do that. I'll do that. I'll just go. There we go. All right. What was I doing? That's right. That's right. Oh, that was me responding to you, Dylan. The stuff I just typed in. Yeah, do you want to see what I have? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna do this for like a couple more hours and then I was gonna play something later. But this is what I have. So, gonna be a starting thing here. And these barrels give you fuel, which on here it replaces it. There's no actually, like, nothing that kills you. There's no health or anything. Oh, it's quiet. My mic. Just have to move it closer to me, I guess. Is the music, like, too loud, or am I just not loud enough? Okay. Yeah, that's what I have. Added a little smoke. Kind of looks weird, but I'll do for right now. And then these, and then I redid. These are drawn. The fuel works. The only thing is there's no, like, goal. You don't die, you just walk forever right now. And there's no, like, obstacles or anything. There's no sound either, and I was about to add sound, actually. Which I'm actually gonna do right now. Because I don't like how there's no sound. So... go to Pixabay. There it is. I need like a rocket booster sound. I don't like that. That's very loud. That is very loud. Also, is my desktop audio? It is not. Why does my webcam have audio? How about that? No? How about that? I think maybe that fixed it. Yeah, it did. So... now I can't hear anything. There we go. Maybe that one. So, I'm gonna have to do like I'm gonna have to... is there like audio mixer? No, that's not what I want. I'm gonna have to like, I don't know if just the will be fine. I kind of want to like activate and have a deactivate sound too. So I guess I could play and then loop and then stop. I'm gonna have to loop this on my own in Adobe Audition. I like this one more. I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna loop it real quick. Did I open it? Yeah. So if I loop this, I'll have a good rocket sound. Is it already looped? I don't like how this looks. Turn on looping so I can hear it loop. I don't use Adobe Audition very much. Ah, yeah. See what that sounds like. Oh, that's a really good loop. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that first try. Perfect. So, cool. Okay. I won't close it yet. Now we need to import it. I'll go ahead and audio. Wrong thing. Oh, there it is. Alright. So, I'm gonna have to go into here and add a audio source with rocket thrust. No, I lied. I don't want to do that. I want to go into this. Oh. Alright. Let's minimize all this. Oh shoot, that's actually the whole thing. Alright. Alright, go to update method. There we go. If is using fuel, then we're gonna want a reference over here. Let's go public so I can just throw that in there. And then I also need a reference to the actual start, a reference to it. Oh, please no. Okay, it's like, well, it's not right. Okay, and then if it's using fuel, then we want to play the clip. So as.play rocket boost. Oh, you know what? I think I gotta play one shot. Now, immediately, what I think is that what it's gonna do is not play the whole clip, and instead it's gonna constantly play the first second. But we'll figure it out in a second. I can't remember if that's what's gonna happen or not. Yeah, I think I need that. So it'll make noise. It probably won't be a pleasant noise though. Oh, you know what? I don't have that wisdom. We tried coding once, it didn't go well. It depends on what you tried to code, because I've been coding for like a year and a half, and it's just, you get over ambitious and you don't do anything with it. Which it teaches you stuff, but you don't do anything with it. So it's just like, alright, let's see what we hear. Oh, I didn't put the freaking audio clip in. Let's see. That does not sound good at all. Okay. Alright. So what we can do is go to here. So the volume can go way down. See if that changes anything. Also, there's a delay. Now you can't hear anything. I think that's the volume. Yeah, it's only playing the first second. So we'll see what I can put in here. It's gotta be cannot convert. What's a U-long? I need to look this up real quick. Audio's always gotten me. Let's see. Okay, let's look at this. Audio source.play to start a single clip from a script. Play one shot, overlapping or repeating non-looping sounds. Okay, so we don't want one shot. We want how to use play. That's what we want to know. So start a sync. Okay, it's the same thing. I'll look it up on here. Bigger screen. Let's see. Plays the clip. So audio source, audio data. I guess I don't know, because I might. Maybe instead of throwing a clip in, I just do this. Okay, I don't hear anything. So it's not playing, I don't guess. Or it's... Probably gotta do this. I had to do this for, basically, sometimes if you try to play audio, or in my case it was a particle system, if you don't check to see if it's not playing first, it won't do it, because it was like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it and see if that fixes anything. So that, and it will only stop it if it is in fact playing. How did I do that? There we go. So, in theory, this would work. In theory. Okay, it does work. But it sounds awful. There's like a delay. Why is there a delay? Okay, that's annoying as all hell. There we go. Let's see. How does no one know how to fix this? Okay, this offers me no help. Say that again. What did I say? Uncompress it. Oh, maybe I should do that. Oops. I don't know what I said. I don't know if I said your name. I don't think so. When you're using an uncompressed wave file, check the option that says preload audio data. This will ensure that the sound loaded to memory and no sounds reloaded every time when it's needed. Sounds like bullets explosion should always be loaded in the memory. So I need to load it in the memory. That's what I... Okay, so that's right. And preload. So maybe I should make sure it's updated in the script. So it's loaded, but there's still a delay. Your sound result. Clicking a button, audio latency. Fix audio latency. Project setting audio DPS buffer size. Set the best latency. Oh, there's still like a massive like... As may with this setting, it may glitch down on Windows build while Mac OS and if anyone will have a larger buffer size on Windows. What? This is the tedious part of coding, is when shit like this happens. I tried a coding website. See, no. You don't go to coding websites. No. That's just a grab for money. What you know what I did? I literally just went on YouTube and watched a video. I was like, this seems cool. So I just realized my face cam isn't on. Because that's all the way at the top. I literally, like, just started with no, like, actually, this is, like, freaking huge. I'll make this super small. There we go. Alright, so Alpha's device such a moment that just send me one where it's not according to much break. That is so annoying. Why is that? Why is this a problem? No one answered. Is there dead air in it? HTML? Oh, yeah, I don't like HTML. HTML's hard. I mean, it's not hard, but it's like annoying. Why do they do that? I hate that, like, clicking sound. Let's listen to it. Oh, there is dead air. Is there? Okay, that's annoying, so we're gonna replace that anyway. Let's try this. Might also be, you know what? Let's try that. It's a wave file. Yep, I did the wrong one. The wrong one again. There we go. Let's try this one. That's weird. Why is it like... I guess I guess that's better. It just I don't know. I feel like it'd be better if I had music playing and it's not as noticeable since it's like the only thing on the freaking screen. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more and I'm just gonna leave it and get some background music going to see if it like takes away from the noticeability of it. Yeah, I'm gonna put like some sort of techno music that loops as well. I want to solve that clicking sound though. Do you hear a clicking sound in the audio, Dylan, or is it just my headset? My headphones? You hear it at the end? Might make a audio mixer. Yeah, I don't like that. See if I can fix that. Okay, so let me change the audio again. See if that changes anything. Nope. Doesn't change anything. I don't remember which one I'm using, so I'm gonna do that. Do you notice that? Oh no, there's still a delay. They're still clicking as well. I thought I got it. Thought I freaking got it. I'm gonna try a different audio just to see if it's just that audio. No, it's just, is it my audio?
Lift off.
Dude, hold on. Hold on. It was my audio. And even the freaking, oh my god. The clicking's still there, but like, it's like, It's better. It's a lot better. See, like, the clicking's there. There's no delay. Oh my god. And it's probably because I freaking mess with everything so much. Okay. That makes me feel a lot better, at least. Hey, Alexa. Stop. Well, let's get some freaking techno background music. No. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. I like this one. I'm sold. But I gotta make it loop. And honestly, I don't think I want to eat. Well, actually, you know what? No. So I need, like... I want to see... I need to see differently. I don't like this. Okay, so what I need to figure out is how to start the clip and then like loop it. Which I think I know how. I could just do different songs maybe, just have like a rotating playlist. So what I might do, I might have like 2 or 3 songs that just rotates through. So let's get a couple more, so I don't have to like loop anything. Nope, it's gone. Yes! Yeah. Get one more. Too sad. No. It's gotta be. No, that's too much. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Yes. Hold on, let's see if it keeps up right here. That's what I'm concerned about. Okay, I'm sold. Alright. So we have those. So we're just gonna do music manager. And let's make a little component called music player. And we need audio source. And then, yeah, so this will play audio. So what we're gonna have to do is get audio clips, an array of audio clips called music, right? So an array is like a list. So if I go over here and look at this thing right now, so every script, if you make it public, you can edit it from this editor, which basically means that I can add music to this list. So we're gonna go ahead and put 3, and we're gonna drag in, well, we need to import our songs first. So let's make a music folder and import assets. So now we can go to the music manager and drag in these songs. Right? So now we can go so we want to rotate through. So we're gonna need to keep track of what song we're on. So we're gonna go max music, which is gonna be my thing to determine the most amount of songs that I have to play through. And then current music. Okay, so on start, or we'll go awake. So basically when the script starts running, it's going to want to get max music is going to equal the music array length. So it will set that to 3 because there's 3 songs. And then current music is going to be equal to music 1 or 0 because it'll start on 0. Oh, never mind. Okay, it's going to set itself to 0 on awake. And then we're going to go if max music dot, music dot length is less than 0 or equal to 0. Never mind, I'm not going to bother with that right now because that shouldn't be a problem. So it'll set us on the first song, and 0 is the boss song. So what we're going to want to do is in the update method, we want to, let's think this through real quick. We want to see if it's playing. So we want to get a reference to our audio source. And then if AS dot is not playing, hold on, give me 1 second. My windows are open, it's getting hot. If it's not playing, we want it to play. So we want to get a method that says Play next. Hello? There we go. Next song. So we'll go to play next song. We want to get current music plus plus. If current music is greater than max music, then current music equals 0. Just to make sure we're not playing music that we don't have. Alright, see you, Dylan. And then current music plus plus. If current music is greater than max music, then you want to set that, and then you want to as.play shot. I might have to look this one up. See if anything plays. Yep, it does. But when the song's over, it's probably not going to play anything else. This isn't the boss song either, I don't think. The second one we found. It might. We'll listen it through, we'll see what happens. Oh, okay. It does. I think I just did it. Song ever end? Oh my god. Good, but it's so long. loops. Okay. I was. I thought it was gonna be super complicated. Did it in 2 seconds. Crazy. Let's get a couple more songs.
Transform.
Oh my god. What's up, Stefan? How are you? Or Stefan, however you go. Okay, I don't know about any of these songs. I really need to. I'm gonna have to write down all these artists too. I want a little side panel that comes in and tells you who plays it, because I don't want to just use music. That's not very nice. All right, so throw that into the music manager. All right, so we have that in there. Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, start. What? Trying cheat codes already? Alright, okay. So let's, I might actually go ahead and do that. Have a little UI that pops up and tells you the current song is playing. And we just have it in the corner. I now unlocked God mode. God mode. I should put some cheats in this game. Still make it interesting. I don't know if I can do up, up, down, down, left, right. I don't know how to do all that, but I can do something. It's like a chain code I have to do. That's I know what you're talking about. That's it's like those fighting games. That's how they used to do cheat. I know what you're talking about. I just don't know how to do it. That's I used to play like oh, what was it that had a like I used to, I don't know about like the fighting games, the or some of the Japanese games that had stuff like that. I used to play like GTA, and that's basically how I did cheat codes in that. So I know what it is. I just, Wait, what? Oh, I bet it was from the start. Yeah, that makes sense. Google is your friend. Yeah, that's. I mean, I, that's where I learned how to do everything on here, is from Google and YouTube. You were right about that. All right, UI. So I might. Can I reuse that? Maybe. What's it look like? Oh shoot, that's the wrong thing. Oh, it's this player card. I could reuse it, but it's gonna look weird. What was my game about? So I am just getting back into making games, so I kind of went with something really, really simple. It's just a little game like Flappy Bird. Is basically that's for initially what I thought was Flappy Bird. How you're just kind of moving in a direction. You got dodge stuff and survive. But I didn't want to copy that, obviously. So I went for more of it's a robot escaping a droid factory because he's going to be decommissioned type thing, but he never makes it out. Um, it's like him simulating his escape or something. I started this literally yesterday, and it's just, I'll play it for you. There's nothing you really do. There's not even a starting platform. There's obviously field nodes, and you have a little jetpack. That's all I've done in like a day. But I'm starting to kind of work on some of and the maps are randomly generated too. I created a script that randomly generates the map. So as you can see, there's no map here right now, and then when you play, it'll randomly generate it. But obviously, since I just started, I don't have any pieces apart from like 2, and the one that has fuel mode and the one that doesn't. So that's basically all it is. It's nothing complex. I'm just messing around. I've only been developing for about a year, so you know I can't drop down and make Apex Legends or anything like that. So I'm just taking it slow, doing reasonable goals, stuff like that for right now. I mean, it's I like it. I made all the art, and this is the like one game where my art hasn't looked like horrible. I mean, it's not great, but it's like you understand what you're looking at, you know. So that's kind of where I'm at. And I'm actually today I was gonna start making the more pieces to generate. Okay, can you go away? I made everything in here. There's nothing I didn't make, I don't think. Maybe. The only thing that I didn't make is the parallax in the background because that just blew my freaking mind. I couldn't do it. And I don't know if you like can tell, it's still a little glitchy once you get like far into the game. It starts like jittering around, but I mean, I don't know how to fix it. I didn't even know how to make it. I went to Code Monkey on YouTube and I watched his tutorial and it made it work. I made everything in at Sprite or whatever. I went on Google Images. I didn't steal anything, but I used it for reference, and it really helps you when you're making art. Cause like, I could not have made this if I didn't see a picture of other people's robots, and I was like, okay, that makes sense, and I kind of like took that and made my own design with it. This is Moni. He's the main character. I don't know if you can figure out why his name is Moni, you'll be the #1 viewer today. It's not that deep. Alright, so yeah, pieces. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I need to stop being distracted. So before I make a piece, I'm gonna have to actually, oh shoot, I did the wrong size. I'm gonna need something that hurts him, and he's gonna need health. I haven't done that yet. I hope that's the right thing. It is, okay. So let's think here. How could he get hurt? We could do a simple spike or something like that. We could do Those are weird emotes. I've never seen those before. Jesus Christ. Wait. Is that cheese? I thought it was like a snail, and then you said Jesus Christ, and I looked at the picture and I was like, that looks like a late. Oh, okay. Okay, I see you, Stefan. Whichever one it is. Laser. I like that. So, let's see. We could do. We're gonna make it interesting though. So, okay, I have an idea. I need images though. So let's just look up pixel laser real quick, see what people have. But I know what I want. I want like a. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm looking at. I hope that did not break code. Okay. I think I just looked at some surgery thing. I want like I want that thing people jump over on track, if that makes sense. Hurdles. like these. But I need There we go. That's a good reference. But like with lasers instead of. Let's mess with it real quick. So let's go line. Oh, that's not right. Why is it 12? I don't want it 12. I want it 2. Okay. Maybe we do something small and then. Hold on. Okay, wait. If I can do like a ground trap, but I can't do that because you can't control how fast the person goes. It's gonna have to be up and down vertical movement. Let me see what other people have done with laser traps. Sure, I don't. Okay. I could. Oh, hold on. That could work if. It's just hard to avoid it, I think. I need a side scroller. Okay, I think I'm getting an idea. So we can do this right here, right? So we just have like a little baseline, yada yada. And then we just have like, I'm gonna actually need a new color. Like that. Obviously, it's gonna look a little better than that kind of animation, but we can have like that. We can have it that way and horizontally so we can block pathways for people to take. So they have to move around it or they're gonna get hit. So I'm thinking we get a little circle going. Right? Oh, jeez. Little circle going. And then we'll have a little podium. Could also use virus, I guess, because he's a robot. So I do plan on having enemies, and I might further that idea a little bit on that, like rogue robot type stuff, or protectors, because I saw these cool looking robots that I used in my background a little bit. Let's see if they're here. Yeah, this guy right here. So like, see if I can zoom in on him. So like, he has like little squares, and then it goes skinny, and then it gets wide again. I kind of want to use that in my enemies. Have walking enemies, and then like flying enemies, stuff like that for you to avoid and maybe shoot if I decide to change it up like that. But that was not an initial idea I had, was to have you fight back, since it's more of a you're kind of running type thing. But I really do like this design, and I want to use it. So I might have them like have viruses or something like that. And then what if it's like, hold on, let's take this real quick. Bring it up here, flip vertical, like that. Right? And then it'll fluctuate in the animation, but it's gotta look not horrible like it does right now. And the inside's obviously gonna be a little darker, like that, kind of. Like this. And then on the outside, it's obviously going to be super freaking bright. It's like, do this number right here, you know? It's not a typical laser, but it's still a laser. And then have like a little, look at that, look at that. I could work with something like that. Yeah, even if it's a running game, there could be an enemy. You just need something when they shoot. You have time. That's right. That's fair. I do actually plan to have mobility options that will consume extra fuel. For example, you could like you have a little like timer, and you can hit like shift or something, or like if I decide to put on mobile, there's a button you hit and it launches you upwards, or maybe there is an option that launches you backwards to give you time to react to something. But like I said, it's like it costs you time. So like you could use it once, but then you might not have it for a certain amount of time. That's kind of what I had in mind. I actually really like this design, like a lot. But it looks like childish almost. It kind of looks thick. Kind of looks very thick. Oh, shoot. If I condensed it a lot. That's still too thick. Hold on, we're gonna redo this with a much thinner, like much thinner line. Jetpack Joyride. That sounds very familiar. I think I played it in like middle school. Is that what I think it is? It is. I have played this. My game's a lot like this. I just thought about that. Without the gun. I have played this. I played this like... Yeah, it was middle school. I played it on my friend's phone. Yeah, that's... Well, they can sue me. It's okay. If I just do like a little bit more like streamlined. So we have this. Still, I don't know. I don't like it. I could do the lightning route. So it'd be like... So there is robot missiles that shoot after you, but you can see where they're going. Okay. I could potentially try something like that, but the only concern that I still have is I don't really want the player to be too in control of them running. So, because it's more of... I could add... I could let them move around. It'd just be weird. That's how the game works. Once I get the mobility set up to where you can dodge left and right, up and down and stuff, and I feel it, I can 100% tell you if I'm going to be able to do missiles like that. Because I'll know how it feels. Which I probably should have done, but I'm trying to get the base of the game down first before I do weird things like that. So if I did something like this. Right. So like, and then like every frame it can like jitter and stuff. Add a little bit of spot. What? Add a little bit of spice to this. Make it thicker a little bit. And then get some dark. Put it up in there. Get some white. good thing about this lightning is I don't need to worry about too much about what it looks like in each individual frame, because I'll be switching it up every frame. I really like that. I really like that. It'll look more like electricity. So then I could take this, right, and I could just like grab this whole thing. See, it'd move like that. Obviously, it's not going to look like that, but it's like I could take this and just like do that, and then get some red. Get some red and just go like that kind of. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Get rid of this right here. Switch it up in there. Give us some light. Move this up here like to right there. Delete all of this. Go like that right there. Oh my God. The only problem I think I have with this is I feel like these spots should not move. So like, have like a base in the middle. Right? So, uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Like that. So I'll just copy this right here, right? I'll just flip it vertically because I want them to look the same. There we go. So then I'll just have to go like this. Like that. And then basically delete and paste. And then just fix them. Yeah. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. I need some music. That's what I need. See if I can get some like royalty-free music playing. But I'm not sure how that works on Twitch. There we go. I'm not sure how that will work or sound, but I've never heard any of these songs. There we go. Go like that. Look at that. It looks a little rough, but oh my, yes, yes. And like from a distance, it'd look a lot better. One thing that is bothering me is this right here. like that. The only problem I think I have with it is like the base. Because like, I don't think it'll match. It won't match at all. It's like, it just doesn't... I'm going to change the color to this like dark purple I use on everything. Actually, that looks better anyway. And then I also don't like the edges. The edges aren't going to match well with the scene. What I can do also is get like... Oh yeah! I love that. I don't really mind that it's not perfectly like spherical. That's not really the goal, it's just the light emitting. So it's gonna look kind of weird depending on the way the light's fluctuating. Yes! Looks real nice. But the fact that all of them. And change the color, so hold on. What we're gonna do real quick is just that. Yeah, easy. What the heck? Oh, hold on, I deleted the whole freaking... Okay. Have that. Add my little highlights. Let's see how this looks. Go. What? How did... Alright, back into Unity. Go ahead and put that in. And then I just got an idea for how that could work. I'm going to need a frame of it not having a laser for it to work, and then it'll be set, it'll be done. I already know what's going to happen. Alright. So what was I doing? Importing. I was importing. Oh, that scared me. I was like, what is happening right now? Alright, man. Have a good day. Night, I guess, since you're going to bed. Feel free to pop back in. I'm going to continue making this game on stream, and I'll eventually release it and start on something a lot more exciting, I promise. What am I doing? What am I doing? I didn't select multiple. Didn't select multiple. Go. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and make the spray. Throw that in there. Okay. Go. Perfect. God, Gray. Put this on all of them. Go. I'm gonna delete something, dude. Absolutely. Okay. And nothing messed up. Alright, we're gonna export. Literally to the same thing, just replace it. Cool. That looks a lot better. All right. Okay. So we have that, and I'm gonna need to do that. And just I had an idea, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I can just leave it as one. Just leave it off like that.
People kill, people die, and children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Or would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. People got me.
Didn't mean export it. I don't know where it's exporting. Alright, so now we can give the animator a laser to so have a bool laser on. If laser on is false, it'll go there. Laser on is true, it'll go there. Basic as that. What we're going to do is there we go. Why did it go invisible? It's back. Okay, whatever. So let's go ahead and generation pieces. Have that. We want to duplicate if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to. What we can do is drag this out here, unpack it, call it object 3, and drag it right back in here. Alright, goodbye. So we're going to open right here. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get a laser trap. Do like that. So it'll be, we'll go 0, -2. Is it touching? It is. Do that, and then we'll copy and paste, and we'll go 2, 3, 4. 3.5. No, 3.3. Ah! There we go. So we'll have like that. That's weird. Not changing from this man. We'll change that block. Go. There we go. So let's throw this into the generation. Obviously it won't do anything right now, but I'll have a third piece in rotation. Spawn one for me. There we go. Alright. Why that isn't. Add a freaking animator to it. No, I don't need to do that. Remove that. I did put a freaking animator. Prefabs at. Oh, they are. Three, three, one. Alright. Bye. 1, 3. Oh. Goodbye. Now they should be going. Except that I forgot to put them both. Okay, actually I did. But there's no bull set, that's why. That do be why. That one's going. Yep, there we go. Cool. Okay. We have that going. Alright. So, now something needs to happen if we hit it, right? And so in an effort to get rid or not overly congest my player movement script, I'm going to make a quote-unquote combat script or health manager, something like that, to split it up a little bit. Let me make sure real quick that my player is, first off, I want you in here. Alright, so add that. New script. Or call it health script. Okay. So we're gonna do a health bar type situation. Because it looks better, I think. Or we want to do lives. We can do lives, we can get lives. But the lives we repair kits are quote unquote. We can use repair kits to heal instead of. I might go with lives. Yeah, we'll do lives. Alright, so we'll hard code in max lives per round being 3. Right? Standard thing for video games. And current lives is private because it. Yep, you got it. On start, current lives equal max lives. Okay? So, public void, use life. Current lives, like that. Public void, gain life. Current lives, plus. Right? If current lives greater than max lives, current lives equal max lives. We don't want to go over the max. There's no overcharge up in here. If current lives is less than or equal to 0 in game, die. Here, private, void, die. Let's do that for right now. And that's all we gotta do here. Because everything else can be done in the trap script. We'll add a script of the trap script. And we can apply this to basically every trap that we use, because we're gonna do a couple things. First off, we're gonna put trap customization. Right, so I can customize every trap I put in. So public audio clip, sound effect. Actually, this script's probably gonna end up being different because I thought about what I'm doing. I want it to connect with another script and alternate. Like if it's on, the other one has to be off. Switch, switch, switch. So sound effect. We'll go ahead if, and then we'll do a bool. Trap on. Right, so, and then private audio source, private animator, start anim equal component animator set, and then audio source or component audio source. So we have those set up, and then so what we're gonna want is we're also gonna want partner trap, right? So we're gonna want serialized field, private game object, partner trap. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. What we're gonna want is, when we set it up, we want to turn the bool of one of them on and one of them off, because what we're gonna do is on update, we don't even need to update. We don't need to check every. We just need to run, and then it'll do it by itself. So on start, we're gonna start a quarantine. enumerator. Private enumerator. Wrap timer. Okay. So when we start it, while wrap on private int wrap timer. Yield return new wait 4 seconds 1 trap on start quarantine. Alright. And it'll go until that hits 0. Trap on and trap time left is greater than 0. It does that. And then now we need update. If trap left equals 0 is greater than, less than or equal to 0. Partner trap, God, we're gonna want to put public start trap. And then partner trap dot get component. Trap scripts dot start trap. So when we call this trap on, it's going to equal true. True. Time left equals time max. Okay. I'm gonna shot school first. Start quarantine. Trap timer. Alright, so yeah. Animation manager. If so, yeah, if trap on anim dot set bool. What's the bool called? Laser on.
This lifestyle addictive, often sickening how I rush my fate. Man, what a picture. My first trip that's sponsored by my space. Users trying to pivot, it ain't on us, cause it's in us. With my brothers, not quite Jonas. We've been soldiers since beginning. Damn. Few about all this death, so let's live a life most call success, not civilized or respected. Give it life, pay won't reflect it. Get it right, they won't finesse this. Not my first rodeo, been bubbled in, it drove me though. I'm coast to coast, we burn the flow and fast on breaks.
So we do that. Second. Alright, so that's set up. I just gotta attach it. So everything should be there except for the damage part. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Legend dot tag. Oh wait. If legend dot tag game object dot tag equals player, then collision dot get component dot game object get component Health script. Take, lose, play. Then, aim object dot, trap on, false, partner trap, dot, hit component, trap script, dot, trap on, equal false. They both turn off. Perfect sound. In the update method, I want to do something. Animation manager. Alright. So I believe partner trap would be this one. Trap time full. Maybe 3 seconds. And we don't have an audio clip, so see if that works. It might not. What that means, dude. So let's walk this through real quick. So on start, there's all that, and I know what the problem was. I didn't turn one of them on. This one's gonna be on. Okay. I didn't save it. One of them's cutting on, but it's not changing. All trap on and trap timer left greater than 0. So how many seconds track, how many seconds track, how many seconds track. So when that hits 0, let's see what that does. If the quarantine started. starting it. I don't do that. See where I'm messing up at. It does do it. It just immediately switches back. So when it calls this, when it calls the start trap, trap time left equals trap time full. That equals true, and it starts the quarantine. But when it ends, we need to stop the quarantine. I don't know why it's showing a negative 600. Start trap, which sets the trap time left to trap time full, turns the trap on, starts the quarantine. While that's on and the time left is greater than 0, trap on, and time left is less than 0. And what can we do in that situation? We can set the trap, the time. Let's see if that does anything. I might crash my game here. Alright, save. Debug. Yeah, why is that negative 429?
Life like swipe like a black card.
Let's look it up.
No price for the hurts though. My type with the black hearts. Not nice but it works though. Started with a losing of clothes. Now where the fuck is my sweatshirts? Still on the radar to everyone.
what we might have to do instead is, instead of them talking to each other, is just set one on, set one off, and then just have the quarantine match. Alright. So let's just delete this real quick. That. Alright, so what we'll do, so I have two IE numerators, right? Private IE numerator. Wrap off timer. While wrap on and off trap time left. Do that. So we'll have to do what? Oh. Return new. Wait for seconds. One. Off trap time minus. Yes. So then we can go update. If let me start. Do that. And then if wrap off time left is greater than or equal to 0, we do that but oppositely. Left, false. Do that. Okay, I don't know if this will work. I kind of lost track of myself during that, but understand. Alright, we're gonna have to Google this. I need like a reference. Alright, I need to delete all this. Too much going on. Alright. So what I need to happen.
Nothing is guaranteed, such a thin line in between. Colder than ice when you're next to me. First time we met, I knew I had to make you mine. Couldn't
Yeah, that's
see
what we want.
all the warnings, 'cause you
33 seconds without stopping. I'm starting quarantines. Need help obtaining different yield results.
my heartbeat stops. Live a beautiful life.
Alright, wait 3 seconds. Fine ones. You can make small, so you can make this one forever.
Need you. Your love just doesn't feel true, but you're going to my head a lot. Yeah, I don't need you.
Oh my god. I did this so horribly.
So hard to find. Feeling left
Okay, hold on.
every one of a kind. Drowning in your misery. I should let it be, let go and
Oh.
set it free. Love is rare, but yours is killing me. I don't need you. Your love just doesn't feel true, but you're going to my head a lot. Yeah, I don't need
What?
you. Who is gonna be you?
File.
We've been going through so much lately. Tell me how can
All
I
true
trust
yield.
you, baby?
Return in wait for seconds.
Deal is looking shady.
However that is.
Maybe I'm just crazy. I don't regret
And then
the way that we have gone through yet. 'Cause I learned on this journey just to do my best. At a stage where we divide, happening too fast. Don't wanna say goodbye, it's so bad. All said and done, it won't work out in the long run. Too sad it's what you wanted, but nobody won. Our relations in demise, so let it die. Go back to our lives.
I don't know a way to like. Oh, then. I don't know if I started it. None? Growth. Okay, they're both on the bottom, right? Both on the bottom. Strap on is false. Turns on. If it's true, it turns off. I don't think it's on. Yep, that's why. It's dumb. It's big dumb. While what? While wrap is active. I just need it to loop. off, it doesn't cut back on. That's why. Oh my god. Because if it's false, it sets it to true, then it immediately sets it back to fucking false. I'm just dumb. I'm just dumb. Yes! Oh my god, bro. Ugh. That was such a pain for no reason.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the
So, trigger. Issue right now. If I go to debug, I should have 2 lives. I have 1 life. That's why. Gotta make sure the trap is on. Alright. Let's get a sound effect. I like that. not be null. There's an audio source in. Fuck. Never shortened so much to taking damage. Okay. But I need a little bit of feedback, I think. I think that's all I'm gonna do, and I'll be done for the day. So, give a little old Moni here a little damage. We have like a little, just like a little like frame of just like That should be good enough. Okay. Okay. Ammonia. Okay, go to animator, trigger, hurt. So any state to hurt. And then we go back to whatever we're doing. So if jetpacking is true, if falling is false, and if, yeah, that's it. Has an exit time of 1. This one is if jetpacking is false and if falling is also false. Exit time of 1, no duration. Jetpacking is false if falling is true. Exit time of 1. Alright. Then we just gotta go into the health script. Lose life. Alright. So theoretically, if I hit something, I should go oof. I also need to probably provide a sound effect. more thing I want to do is like. Like that one. That is odd indeed. Ain't here. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, I'm Henny sipping, trying to ease the pain. Yeah, my eyes low in designer frames. Yeah, I thought I changed when I got my chain, but I'm still the same old nigga on the same old shit. Cause I drive nice cars, got a badass bitch. I got a little money, keep a fly ass fit. I used to dream of days I would live like this, huh? Gotta get it by any means. Invested in myself, now I play for the winning team. For the money, I'm a fiend. I be chasing after that
I'll figure this out another day. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off.